Today I want to talk a little bit about Project Angel Food, which is a terrific organization that supports delivering healthy meals to people with serious illnesses. When you're seriously ill, it's the last thing that you should have to worry about: where's dinner? But for thousands of people here in Los Angeles County, that's a reality. Project Angel Food is here. That is a nonprofit organization that delivers free medically tailored meals to people with life-threatening illnesses. Their meals are made with fresh, healthy ingredients and are tailored to the specific dietary needs of each client. Project Angel Foods meals provide much-needed nourishment and support to people who are already struggling. We also help to relieve the burden on family members who may be caring for a sick loved one. You can also help Project Angel Food make a difference in the lives of people with serious illnesses. There are many great ways to get involved, including volunteering, donating, or fundraising. So if you or a loved one is suffering from a critical illness and cannot prepare their own food, we're here to help. Sign up and you can benefit from free medically tailored meals delivered at your doorstep. So if you're interested in becoming a volunteer or a client or someone who wants to donate, you can find out more about Project Angel Food today. Contact me directly or call 1-800-761-8889 or look for them online. Together we can make sure that anyone fighting a serious illness doesn't have to worry what's for dinner. Thank you for listening. Take care.